Do you ever wonder how some families manage to thrive financially for generations, passing down not just money but stability and opportunity? If you've been searching for real, actionable steps to ensure your loved ones and their future children are set up for lasting success, you're in the right place. In the video, we'll break down 15 ways to create generational wealth that can truly stand the test of time. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to building and preserving wealth for yourself, your children, and even your grandchildren. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Mom Kim Sath, and today we're delving into one of the most important financial topics out there, generational wealth. The concept might sound intimidating or reserved for the ultra-rich, but in reality, anyone with dedication and a solid plan can start laying the groundwork. Whether you're a new parent wanting to give your kids the best start, or you're simply looking to improve your financial strategy, these 15 methods can help you build a legacy that outlasts you. We'll cover practical advice, like strategic investing, estate planning, and business ownership, along with crucial mindset shifts that make all the difference. If you're ready to transform your financial future and create a ripple effect that spans generations, grab a notepad and let's dive in. 1. Embrace a wealth-building mindset. When it comes to building wealth that lasts, mindset is everything. Generational wealth starts with seeing money as a tool to create opportunities, not just a way to cover expenses. If you're stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, begin by challenging the beliefs that hold you back. Do you believe you can only earn so much? That investing is too risky or complicated? Shifting your mindset might involve reading personal finance books, surrounding yourself with successful mentors, or simply reminding yourself daily that you're capable of more. This foundational mental shift sets the tone for every other strategy we'll discuss today. Because once you view money as a pathway to freedom and legacy building, you'll be more motivated to master the habits that lead to lasting success. 2. Establish a solid financial foundation. Next up, you'll want to secure your immediate financial well-being before focusing on long-term goals. That means creating an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses if possible. This fund acts as your financial cushion, preventing unexpected hardships, like job loss or medical bills, from derailing your wealth-building progress. Alongside that, take a close look at any high-interest debt you have. Credit card debt, personal loans, or payday loans can eat away at your ability to save and invest. Making it a priority to pay those down fast will free up more cash to put toward your future. Think of this step as laying a sturdy foundation for a house. Without it, everything else is built on shaky ground. 3. Invest in lifelong education. Generational wealth isn't just about passing down money, it's about passing down knowledge. Cultivate a habit of continuous learning, whether that's reading books, following credible financial blogs, taking courses, or attending seminars. Learn about personal finance, real estate, the stock market, entrepreneurship, anything that broadens your economic horizons. And don't forget to share that knowledge with your family. Talk openly about money with your children, discuss budgeting and investing at the dinner table, and encourage them to ask questions. By normalizing these conversations, you're equipping future generations with tools that go far beyond any inheritance. 4. Make smart stock market investments. For many, the stock market is a cornerstone of wealth creation. While no investment is without risk, historically, well-chosen stocks and index funds have offered strong returns over time. One popular approach is dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount on a regular schedule, regardless of market highs or lows. This strategy helps mitigate risk and takes emotion out of the equation. You might also look into dividend stocks, which pay out a portion of a company's profits to shareholders. Reinvesting those dividends can accelerate growth. But remember, knowledge is key. So research thoroughly or consult a financial advisor to build a portfolio aligned with your long-term goals. 5. Venture into real estate. Real estate is often touted as one of the most reliable avenues to build long-term wealth. Whether you're purchasing properties to flip for profit or investing in rental homes for passive income, real estate offers multiple revenue streams and generally appreciates in value over time. Consider house hacking, renting out part of your home to cover the mortgage, or partnering with others to invest in bigger properties. REITs, real estate investment trusts, are another option if you're not ready for hands-on property management. The goal here is to accumulate assets that can generate continuous cash flow and grow in value, eventually providing a substantial nest egg for future generations. 6. Leverage life insurance and trusts. When discussing generational wealth, life insurance is a powerful yet often overlooked tool. A well-structured life insurance policy ensures your loved ones receive immediate financial support if the unthinkable happens. Permanent life insurance policies can even accumulate cash value over time, which you can tap into while you're still alive. Meanwhile, trusts are legal arrangements that help protect assets and dictate how they're passed on. By placing your assets in a trust, you can reduce estate taxes, avoid probate, and ensure your wealth is transferred smoothly to beneficiaries. This level of planning not only preserves wealth, but also safeguards your family's financial stability during critical transitions. 7. Build a family business or legacy project. A family-owned business can be a direct pathway to creating wealth that spans generations. Starting a profitable business, from a restaurant to a consulting firm, provides an asset you can pass down. But it's essential to involve your heirs early in the process. Teach them the ropes, let them work in different facets of the company, and cultivate a sense of ownership and responsibility. The goal is to create a sustainable enterprise that can thrive under new leadership. Even if you're not aiming to build a massive empire, smaller legacy projects like a family-run online store or real estate holdings managed collectively can instill entrepreneurship in younger generations and preserve wealth in a hands-on way. 8. Prioritize estate planning. Estate planning might sound intimidating, but it's one of the most effective ways to protect your wealth. Drafting a will is a must, as it clearly states how you want your assets distributed. Beyond a will, explore options like powers of attorney, healthcare directives, and beneficiary designations on retirement accounts. These documents ensure that your wishes are respected and that your family avoids lengthy and costly legal battles. The sooner you tackle estate planning, the better. Life is unpredictable, and having your affairs in order guarantees that your wealth transitions smoothly to the next generation, minimizing confusion and conflict. 9. Set up education funds. A quality education is often a stepping stone to higher earning potential, and helping the next generation avoid crippling student loan debt is a monumental gift. In many countries, specialized accounts, like 529 plans in the United States, offer tax advantages when saving for college or vocational training. Even small, consistent contributions can add up significantly by the time a child is ready for higher education. Beyond formal schooling, consider funding extracurricular programs, travel experiences, or skill-based courses that enrich personal development. By investing in their education, you're not just giving your kids a financial leg up, you're equipping them with the knowledge and skills to continue the cycle of wealth creation. 10. Diversify income streams. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. Generational wealth requires resilience, which often comes from diversification. Look for ways to add extra streams of income: freelancing, consulting, royalty-generating work, like writing a book or creating an online course, or even investing in small startups. Each revenue source acts as a financial safety net, safeguarding you and your family from sudden financial downturns. Plus, multiple income streams can significantly speed up your wealth-building efforts, allowing you to reach your goals sooner and with more stability. 11. Utilize retirement accounts wisely. Retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs in the U.S. are not just for your own future, they can also play a part in establishing a family legacy. Contributions often have tax advantages that help your money grow faster than if it were parked in a standard savings account. A Roth IRA, for instance, allows for tax-free withdrawals in retirement, which can translate into more money you can pass along. Keep in mind that rules vary, so consult with a financial professional to maximize the benefits. By diligently contributing to these accounts, you ensure you won't be a financial burden on your children later in life, and you might even leave a substantial inheritance that sets them up for success. 12. Invest in health and wellness. It might seem odd to include health on a list about wealth, but your health is one of your most valuable assets. Chronic health problems can drain finances and limit your ability to earn. Moreover, setting a standard for healthy living in your family, balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and preventative health care ensures future generations inherit good habits. Encourage open conversations about mental health and stress management too. A family that prioritizes wellness is better equipped to handle life's challenges and is less likely to face crippling medical expenses that can erode generational wealth. After all, what good is financial freedom if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it? (13) Teach financial literacy to the next generation. We've touched on this earlier, but let's emphasize the importance of teaching financial literacy. If you've worked hard to build a fortune, the quickest way for it to dwindle is if the next generation isn't equipped to handle it. Start with the basics: budgeting, saving, responsible credit usage, and the power of compound interest. As they grow older, introduce them to investing, taxes, and real estate. Encourage them to practice these skills with small amounts of money, like an allowance they must manage or a teen-run micro-business. By the time they reach adulthood, they'll have a strong grasp of money management, ensuring your family's wealth has the best chance of enduring. 14. Give strategically and charitably. Generational wealth often involves an element of giving back. Philanthropy can be a powerful tool, both for social good and for tax advantages. By donating to charities, setting up a family foundation, or creating scholarships, you can reduce taxable income while instilling a sense of responsibility and compassion in the next generation. Having a family meeting about where to donate and why can be a bonding experience that also teaches kids about the broader impact of wealth. Plus, charitable giving is a tangible way to show that wealth isn't just about accumulation. It's also about stewardship and legacy. 15. Continuously review and adapt your plan. Last but definitely not least, recognize that wealth building is a dynamic process. Your financial plan shouldn't be set it and forget it. Life changes, markets fluctuate, career paths shift, family structures evolve. Make it a habit to review your financial goals and strategies at least once a year. Rebalance your investment portfolio, revisit your estate documents, and consider updates to insurance or business structures. Encourage family members to stay engaged in this process. When everyone understands the plan and their roles in it, you strengthen the likelihood that your legacy will endure. And there you have it, 15 ways to create generational wealth that can profoundly impact not just your life, but the lives of those who come after you. From shifting your mindset to strategic investing and robust estate planning, each tip can help you move closer to the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. If you found this video insightful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit from this knowledge. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. How are you building generational wealth for your family? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep striving for your legacy.